Hello, welcome to the Rand Trader. Okay, I just want to show you my results for last month. It was a very successful month trading Forex. I only used the one strategy, that was the London breakout strategy, and just trading on two currencies, pound against the US and the euro against the US dollar. You know, sometimes less is more. You don't need to do hundreds of trades a month to make money. And the London breakout strategy is a really simple strategy. I've got other clips that I've put up showing you how to trade it. Simply, you're trading the breakout from the Asian session. So when it breaks out, coming into London session at 8 o'clock in the morning UK time, you either simply go long or short when it breaks out of that range. It's a simple breakout strategy, and it's a very easy one for beginners to use. And it does work. Okay, you're not going to get 100% strike rate. No trading strategy will. And you can still make mistakes using it. But overall, it's a really systematic system to use. Okay, so here the top here is the graph, um, and as you can see, I was never down more than £50 for the month. Started off down £50, but we got this nice upward trend, and altogether it was £1,229, and you know that's just on a very small account. But if we look at the actual trades, if we look at the strike rate, see, I only took 14 trades for the whole month, and that was while I was working as well. So I wasn't trading every day, and sometimes you don't get a trade in London breakout strategy every day, so you have to be patient. But 71% strike rate, which is really, really good. I think overall for the year it's about 55%, but still making money. This figure here, when it's above 1, so it's 1.72, you're making money. Now here, the profit loss ratio is really important. 1.41, ideally I like it to be 1.5, but my average profit's 171.88. And I'm losing 122.30. So as long as your profit is more than your losses, then you're doing okay. So you can click on these bars here. The red one's obviously the losses. So I lost £50 on that one. Now how I do it, I'm doing £12 a pip, a 15 pip trading stop, which means the most I can lose is £180 on a very small account. And I'm looking for 20 pips, that makes £240. Okay, so you can see, but that often it doesn't happen because now I'm using the trading stop. The stop will move as the market moves in your direction. So you're not necessarily going to lose the full 180, and this is proven to be right because if I go to here, you can see I only had one trade that lost 180. That was 120. That's 139. Now here's £30. Okay, that's nothing really as a winner. 326. That just came after the general election when the pound really soared. So that was a nice return. 240, but it should be on average 240, which it is, which is what I'm aiming for. 151, see that was a mistake. I think I cut it short. So even this isn't perfect. I could have got even more. And £244.80, which was a trade that I took this Monday. And that was literally done in 40 minutes. 8:18, clocked out by 9 o'clock in the morning. And then I didn't trade Tuesday. I think Tuesday I was working. Wednesday, I don't think there was a breakout signal. Today's Thursday, the 1st of August. I think I was working today. I think if I traded pound against US, it probably would have worked out. But I was working, so I didn't. Tomorrow's non-farm payrolls day, which when the economic report comes out from America about how many people are employed. So I won't be trading tomorrow because it's very much of a gamble with that report coming out. So I shall start afresh on Monday. But as you can see, 10 out of the 14 trades. So that's a really good strike rate, and that's for 1,229. And we can see, look, the pound against the US dollar, which is the main one I trade for breakout, brought in the most money, 1,034. But it's these figures here: 8 trades, 75% win rate. Average profit 215 compared to 129. That's not bad. So 166 profit loss ratio, which is good. Obviously 2 would be even better, but that's still good. It's good profit loss ratio, return rate 2. However, Euro USD is not so good. 67% strike rate is good. 4 out of the 6. I mean, I only brought in £200 for the month. But more worryingly is this figure here. My average loss 115, average profit 106. So your profit is less. My average profit is less than my average loss. So that's why you get this 0.92, this negative figure, 128 return. So I can look back at my trading records. I think what happened on the Euro US, I think I lost faith in the system, and I think I cut some trades short. And that's a no-no, because if you're cutting them short, you know, you need to make the bigger profits to make up for the losses. Here it says here, you know, average hold time winning trades 5 hours 37, average losing 2 hours 38. Best market obviously pound US, worst Euro US. And that's it. That's all 1 month's trading. As you can see, look on here, you can see what the profits and the losses were. But this is just all 1 month's trading, just 14 trades, and yet made 1,225. And I'll tell you something, to do each of those trades was probably only about no more than 10 minutes. 14 trades, 140 minutes, so less than 2.5 hours to bring in 1,200. And look at this nice curve here. You can see, started off down 50, down 20, and then we moved up through 06, came down again. Obviously, you're going to go up and down. It's going to breathe. It's you're never going to get an exact straight line. And this here, this 564, that is just like commissions, like overnight. So the odd trade that I did hold overnight, you have to pay for, but I mean that's insignificant. So as you can see, a really good profitable month. We got a nice upward trend there, 1,200. Strike rate's really good, because I think, as I say, I think I'm about 55% for the year, which still making hefty profit, which I'll show in another clip. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. On a small account, 1,229 and a 71% strike rate. I'm very pleased with that. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that, to show you, you know, these are genuine trades, and these are genuine trades that, you know, anybody could do. You know, a beginner could use this system. It's, you know, I find it quite an easy strategy to do. You know, you can overcomplicate things, but sometimes the simplest strategies are the best. And you know, if you can make £1,200 a month, I mean, hopefully next month it'll be even more. Summer months though can be quite quiet. A lot of people on holiday, so we'll see how it goes. You know, the volume of trading can die down in the summer months, and you know, so I'm pleased with this for this month in July and summer. So we'll see how August goes, but I'm hopeful for August to make even more. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that, just to show you, you know, you can make money using such a simple system. 71% strike rate, you know, that is, I'm really happy with that. And you know, the profit loss ratio overall is good, 171 to 122. I'm happy with that, and I'm happy to 1,200 for probably less than 2.5 hours of actual work, if you can call it that. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. If you want to see how I actually trade on the breakout strategy, then subscribe to the Running Trade. I've got many videos showing you there how to operate this simple strategy. So roll on this month, August, and we'll see what happens then. And I'll show you in more clips to come. So I'll see you over at the Running Trader. See you soon.